As a complete installation with connecting the wire of the into the injectors and some other small things. So I bring it back later again when I've done that. I'm starting up to putting up the pulley again in here, and the bolt. I won't tighten it because I have also putting on the timing belt again. When I've done with install the pulley to the diesel pump and so on. So I bring it back later again while I will doing this off camera. Hello YouTubers, and good morning. It's a new day. It's today Sunday, the 9th of November, and it's autumn. So it's not too hot, not too warm, not too cold. It's just 7 degrees above zero outside. So I'm intending today to install again the antlers and also the piece who is regulating bronze thing here. So see it. So that I had to close it. So there's this little cover, timing belt, and preserve engine or the diesel pump. Things get on again. The getting in here. Okay, maybe a little to the left. I guess you can see there, over there, what I'm doing in the engine here. So I removed a little nut here. It's a 6mm nut, so it's not so big, so I have to be careful I don't lose it. And take off the covered connection. You see, put a little nut over there, solenoid back again, because I have a new solenoid in onto there. Okay, they put a nut on it, so I have to untighten that one. Yeah. The 6mm is here, I think, if I get it on. No, it's not 6, it's an 8. Okay, that isn't working. Little wrench. Get it done. Oh, this is small. I just have to be careful that I the little nut almost just be that careful that I don't lose it. I have another one, of course, but where did I here? connector. Okay, now just see to get it on again. A little bit here. I finished the rest of camera, so it would be too long. Okay, some gloves. Today we are managed to start the engine at the small troubles, etc, etc. Let us just check up something more for looking up the door of the engine is running as it should be run. So I think so, but I hear by my son Ivan what he has to say.
Jeg kan ta bilder av eksosen, så skal vi se.
Ja.